There we go. Look, I got sprouts over there. All right, now to this bowl, we are going to add 330 grams of water, 30 grams of honey, 240 grams of starter that is active, mine is very bubbly, 30 grams of olive oil, I'm gonna mix all of this together and then I will add my flour. I hope my bowl is big enough. I feel like it's probably not, but here we are anyways. And then I'm gonna add 700 grams of bread flour and 10 grams of salt, and I'm gonna knead all of the dough together for about 8 minutes. After I do this, I'm going to cover it and let it sit for 3 to 4 hours, and then we'll be back to actually, you know, shape them into French bread loaves. All right, I'm going to get this out, and we're gonna separate it into 2 loaves, and we're going to do our best to shape it. All right, now I'm just going to cover these with my cloth, and we're gonna let this sit for an hour, hour and a half. All right, this is what they look like. I think they look pretty good. Now I have an egg wash. It's just 1 egg and a teaspoon of water. I'm going to brush it on. You don't have to do this. It's completely optional. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and I'm gonna bake these for about 25 minutes. Also, I apologize for the lighting. It is currently storming outside. We were under a tornado warning. The sirens were going off, and It's dark outside now because it's storming. So, therefore, the light is bad. And, like I said, I'm going to put these in the oven for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay. For the record, we had this bread last night, but there was a lot going on between the tornado warning and the sirens and the rain. And we have this. And we have this. And we have this.
Don't have this.
So there was a lot going on last night. But anyways.
Bread's good.
It is good.
It's like an Italian loaf.
Yeah, it says it's a French loaf, but I feel like it tastes one of those Italian loaves. Mm-hmm. It's really good. Mm-hmm. It has like a nice sweetness to it, but it's not overly sweet. Mm-hmm. And it's fluffy, like it's not super dense. Mm-hmm. Do you have anything to the...
I would say that the texture and stuff is kind of like, this when you warm it up, it's kind of like the Italian bread loaf thing you would get out from a bread maker.
Yeah, that's what you said last night. Like one of the bread machine breads, it kind of is like a more dense crumb. Mm-hmm. But it's not. It doesn't taste dense. Like the bread itself isn't dense.
Oh, so you don't get that kind of crust.
No, I had to do an egg wash to get that. But yeah, it's good. I think maybe there is some sort of sugar in bread maker bread usually. I don't know. Is there? Mm-hmm. Yeah. But
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, we still have a whole loaf to eat. Anyway, yeah, I think that's about it. We just have we have a lot of dogs happening over here.
Doggos! Cabino.
I don't know where the other one is.
He's over here.
He's somewhere. Anyway. Do you have anything else to say?
Nope.
Okay, well, Jonathan might see you in the next video. I don't know, because I don't know what it's going to be. Okay, bye!